Good morning, students. Today, uh, as due to some technical problems that uh, occurred in our previous session, so I'm uploading the same chapter that we were going through about chapter number 8, which was about living and working together. So I'll have a brief recap about what we had studied in this chapter and what we had completed till now. Now, here in this chapter, as we are going through, we are learning about how living and working together is very important. Now, as we understand, there are various different people who live in our neighborhood, who live in our society. We work together, we share our thoughts, we exchange various different ideas and live in a harmonious relationship with one another. There are various different people who bring about various different changes in our society by their presence, by their involvement into our lives that makes our life more easier and more beneficial. Now, as we are going through this chapter, we had studied about various important people who exist in our community. Now, their existence, their uh, their services that they provide makes make us live in a very better way in the society, and it makes or it provides a better understanding of life in our society. Some of the people, they act as a guide, some of the people, they act as protectors or lifesavers, and some help in this such a various different aspects of our day-to-day activities that they have become an important part of our life. So we studied in this chapter as to those different kind of personalities of people who brought about changes. Now we went across, when we were studying about this chapter, we studied various important people such as teachers, doctors, postmen, soldiers, policemen and traffic police, then farmers, the importance of plumber, and the importance of electricians who are there. There are other various people also who bring about a lot of changes or who help us, or they, by their services or by their workings that they provide us in and around our community area or a society or a neighborhood, they have become an integral or important part of our society. Now, teachers are an important aspect of each and every individual. Teachers may be in any way. Like for example, at home, if you see your parents, your sister, your brother, or your elders, or even your neighbors could be a teacher for you, who gives you knowledge, who tells you about what is good or bad. They bring about moral values into your life. And such way, here it is most probably talking about those teachers who teach you in your schools or in your in educational institutions. Now, what work they do? They provide you knowledge, understanding about various different things of life. What is good, what is bad, the moral values of life are being taught to you. Through the help of teachers, you understand as to the different aspects of life. You study different subjects in schools where you learn about various different things, having different perspective, how they work about. So this knowledge and understanding and making you a better person, so that in future you would stand to be someone great in the society, and you would be proud enough, not only yourself, your parents, and even the whole of the nations that you belong to becomes proud of yourself, proud of you. The next important person that we studied about is the doctors. Now, who are these doctors? They are knowledgeable people, skillful people who putting their efforts, long-term efforts in studying science or various different aspects of science. They get this professional degree of doctors. What they do, what is their workings now? The work of these doctors is to cure us from body ailments. Some of the time it is seen that that people, they suffer from emotional stresses. These are also been solved by important category of doctors that are there. Now various important instruments that are being used by these doctors, as we all know or we have heard about thermometers or stethoscope. Now thermometers and stethoscope are basic important instrument of doctors which they use in their day-to-day practicing, and whenever a patient or whenever a person who is suffering from any kind of illness, body illness, they come to them, they prescribe medicines, and what happens, by taking those medicines you get fit, you get a healthier life again back, or normal life. So most of us we have been to doctors for some reason or the other, having any kind of body problem or ailment in our body, and we have seen how the doctors they treat and they help us in treating our problems which is in regarding to our body, our mind, and make us healthier in our day-to-day activity so that we can be perfect in doing whatever things we do in our day-to-day activities in daily life. So doctors play a very important role in a community or in the society. Now, as we see in now that doctors are, or people they regard doctors equal to God. Why? Because in various different circumstances where people suffer a lot. Now you can take it, a best example we can take at present times when this pandemic period or coronavirus period is going on, they are risking their lives. They are risking their life to treat other people, to see that other people get their lives back in normal. Now this particular virus is not only destroying people in regarding to body. If it is slightly infected also, what is happening? Most of the people are dying due to stress, anxiety, and internal problems or fear. So what they do is that they remove all those problems from a person's body and try to risk their life and try to make them healthier. On the other hand is the importance of postmen. Postmen, what they do in earlier times, what used to happen is that there was no modern communication system like we have now. Like we have mobile phones, computers, where through which we are able to share instantly or quickly or immediately various important information or ideas or thoughts that we want to share with one another. It is very easier now. But earlier what used to happen, there was no such communication system. Now people used to write letters in a piece of paper, trying to inform or give information to their loved ones or to the dear ones, and there the role of postman was very important. They travel a long distance serving these letters so that the communication system could be created between two different people who are living far away. So postmen play a very important role in our lives, in our society. Now as communication system has developed, we are having various different type of communication facilities in modern times where we are able to exchange ideas, communication systems in a better way. But still, their importance are still found. The names are changed, or the perspective of the postmen or their workings have changed in a modernized way. But still, their importance do exist in our life. Now, as we see in modern times, we have various different system of deliveries like courier, speed post, money orders that are being carried by these postmen. The specialized category of people who do these kind of works are known as postmen. They deliver letters, communication system, then they deliver couriers, they deliver even more money orders sent from one person to another. So these are the important works of their day-to-day life, which makes our life better in one perspective. The next is a very important person in our society. That is, they are the soldiers. Now soldiers, they risk their life. they put their life into danger. For whom? For us, so that we could live peacefully. So that if any kind of external problems that are coming into our country, they are the first frontier people who stand forward and see that the citizens of this country are safe and sound under their protection. So these are the people who risk their life, who put their life into danger so that we can, or the normal people or the normal citizens can live peacefully. Now soldiers are found here in various different variations. Like some of them are categorized as armed forces or army, some of them are known as navies, and some of them are known as the other base, different kind of categories. There are various different kind of categories of soldiers who have their own categorical work to save the nation from external or even internal problems that occur in a particular country. Policemen and traffic police that we discussed, who are they? These are the important people who take care of the internal problems of the people. Now, policemen, they have their own place where they have this, they are stationed, which is known as the police station. Now, these people have their own institution, which is known as police station, where people, if they have normal problems into their day-to-day life, they go and put their complaints, and according to the complaints, actions are being taken by them, so that the problems faced by the people, or it can be any kind of problem, it can be a smaller or larger, they do not see the category of people who are approaching them, and doing justice to people who are suffering from any kind of such problems coming as complaints towards themselves. The next is about the same category of people who are known as the traffic polices. We have seen in various different places where traffic police controls the movement of vehicles. What they do is that they control the movement of vehicles coming from different angles. And why they do it? So that, number one, so that accidents or unwanted life-threatening incident does not take place, or the movement of the system of vehicles can be seen or categorized in a proper way, so that there are like various different times what happens is that if there is no traffic system, what will happen? The vehicles moving from different places or different sites may collide with each other, and accident may take place, which is also life threatening. People, they lose their lives if proper traffic system or traffic rules are not being followed. So these traffic polices, they see that the traffic system in the society or the surroundings are taking care for the safety of the people, as well as to see that various different important incidents do not take place, and people movement of vehicles as well as the people movement individual on the roads or outside is properly done. So traffic polices also play a very important role in our day-to-day life. Then farmers, the most important part of our society or the community. Why? Because they are the life givers. You can consider them as life givers. They work very hard in fields so that crops can grow. What they do is that they grow crops, and with the use of these crops, we are able to feed ourselves. And we, for example, when you sit at home, when you eat food, you should always remember that it is all because of the hard work and long toilation of work that the people or this category of people known as farmers, they do. And because of their hard work and their uh, physical efforts that they put into the fields and work and grow crops, we are able to have food, which is an important part of our life, without which people cannot live. If one time food is not given to you, where it is essential part of our life, you start feeling problems in your stomach. You start calling your parents, or you start calling someone who nearby. So this problem of hunger that prevails in our body is being satisfied, which is an important work of the farmers in our community, and they play a very important role in our life. They use various different tools such as plowing machines, then tractors, then you have even animals are being used by them to plow fields. Now in various different times, in adverse situation of water shortages, you find these farmers having a lot of problem. But still, as they also have that particular means of earning and living, they work hard or bring ideas as to how they can grow crops, and according to this only what happens is that we get food and we satisfy our requirement, one of the various basic important requirement of our life, which is food, which is being provided to us with the help of this important person who is known as farmer. The next important person in our life is plumber that we discuss. Who are these plumbers? Now, you when you go or you wake up in the morning, you rush towards your toilets, right? And you see that if suppose water is not coming, you need water for your day-to-day activities. Now, certain time it happens that due to some problems in the pipe system or the motor system, what happens? We are unable to get water, which is an essential part of our life in our day-to-day life. Now, these plumbers play important role in solving those kind of problems. What they do is that they fix leakages, they fix your taps, your washroom items that are there with which the supply of water is provided to you. So they are the important people who bring about various aspects of this particular workings, and according to their skills, according to their activities or profession, they fix taps, leakages, so that the important part of our life, that is water, could be supplied to you. The next important person is about electrician. Who are these electricians now? These electricians are skillful people, or knowledgeable or experienced people who solve problems of important electrical equipments or appliances that are there, like fridge, washing machine, iron that we use, and various. Now in modern times there are so many different kind of electrical machines that have been developed that we use in and around our day-to-day activities. So if that things get spoiled, whom do we go? If suppose your fan does not work or there is a problem, you cannot open it by yourself and solve the problem. But it is done by whom? It is done by the electricians who work according to their skills, try to understand. You can call them as doctors of electrical appliances who understand the problem in an electrical appliance in a better way, and then try to solve it, and then repair those things and give it back to you so that you can reuse those things. So these are important people who use, like for example, what are the important equipment they use? They use testers, screwdrivers, and important mechanical things. Now in modern times there are so many modern machines that are being used or developed, with which now their workings also have been developed. Their working also has been made easier. So these electricians are those people who help you provide with those services in which your electrical appliances or any electrical kind of equipments get spoiled or they get destroyed by any of the effects that are being done to it. Now there are other various important people who play an important role. Now we have also studied here categorically along with them about firemen. Who are these firemen? Firemen are very brave people. Why we can consider them as brave people? Because whenever there is any fire incidents that take place due to any uncircumstances, events or happenings, they risk their life. They put their life into risk, and they go with water tankers. A vehicle. What is water tanker? A vehicle which is filled with water, gallons or liters, many liters of water into it, and with the help of pipes, they fight against the fire and they save lives, they save properties from getting destroyed. So, in that aspect, also we have various important other people like cobblers who are there in and around, who try to repair your shoes if it is broken or if it is damaged, and they make your life easier. Now, if suppose your shoes is torn, you will not sit at home and then start repairing it, right? You will go to a person who does it, and when you approach such kind of person who is called as cobblers, who repair or correct your problems in regarding to your that you are facing of stitching the shoes, polishing, repairing the sandals, stitching them. So these are the important peoples that are there existing in our society in and around, and there are various different people also, various other category of people who bring about lot of changes into our lives, who does smaller kind of work and even higher professional kind of work. Each and every category of people who bring about changes into our life, who is making our life easier, and we live it peacefully. So each and every category of people who are an important aspect of our community are important for us, who bring various different changes into by their rendering their services, by rendering their occupations for us, and getting their helps and getting their benefits. We are able to satisfy our basic important activities or needs that we have. Now, in this perspective, we have understood like there are smaller category of people who are known as farmers. There are higher professional people who are known as doctors, you can consider lawyers or teachers, soldiers, who have a specialized kind of activity. Now students, you should understand one moral value in this, that we should not discriminate any people in regarding to any kind of work, because work is considered as worship for everyone, and respecting work is an important part of our life which teaches us various different moral values. People's time change. Some people working at a lower level do hard work and they grow up to be a rich and wealthy persons due to their hard workings. So we should always understand that we should value each and every people's work, which we studied in our next topic, which is about value of work or respecting work. Whether it be a lower level of work, a person doing a laborious kind of work like a coolie or a farmer or a plumber, okay, and even the higher professional works or higher degree of works done by people who are called as doctors, lawyers, engineers, policemen, soldiers, teachers. Each and every category of work should be respected. We should not discriminate or laugh at anybody's working category or condemn anyone or discriminate anyone in regarding to their working system or their working, because everyone does work to earn some money, and it takes a lot of hard work in doing any kind of work an individual is doing. Okay, so we should always respect, always give respect to others, so that when we learn this moral value of respecting, what happens is that with the same respect we get from others. Nobody knows where you will stand in future, what kind of work you will get, what kind of work you will do. It can be a lower level of work you need to do or a higher degree of professional work that you will get. But you should understand from now this particular important moral value, that every work should be respected, and every work should be given the same importance regardless of any kind of category of work done by different category of people. The next important thing that we learned in this chapter is about child labor. Now, what is child labor? Now, child labor, you can, in simple meaning, you can understand it as a kind of work that is been forcefully or unwantedly given to smaller age of childrens. And against this, various important laws have been made, where by the governments or the law institutions of a country, that a particular age child should not be put into any kind of laborious work. Okay, if anybody is found to provide working or forcefully making a person work of these smaller ages, then they are given punishments. They are being given punishments not of a simple degrees. There are higher degrees of punishments given to those category of people. Why? Because you see that every country's development is based on its upcoming future. So you children are the future of this country, of the upcoming generations, where the country would be dependable upon your workings that you provide to the society, that you provide to the country. And if child labor prevails, what is happening? The various very important purpose of future development of the country is destroyed or failed. So to protect the future and the development of the future of individual country, the evil practice of this child labor should be avoided, where you can see in various different instances small children of lower ages, they are working in factories, they are working in dangerous, hazardous or dangerous kind of uh, institutions or organizations. For example, there are various companies uh, who who make or manufacture firecrackers, right, that you use in Diwalis or important festivals. Now, what does it contain? It contains various important chemicals which can be dangerous. Okay, and if it is not handled properly, it can bring about health problems, which is very which can be incurable also, and it would not only be in the person's body, it would again be transferred to someone else in the upcoming times. So, from these hazardous or dangerous activities or ailments, children should be avoided. You should not handle those kind of things. You should not work in those kind of places where it can bring about health problems. So, considering the future of children's, various important law institutions of countries have developed various different method or systems where what is provided, protection to children are provided, where children should be given or they are made to live their childhood in a proper way, playing, studying, getting knowledge, understanding the world is the main perspective of the children's at the lower ages, so that in upcoming futures they become someone great and serve the nation, provide development to the nation. So child labor is one of the very important or very evil kind of practice or bad kind of practice that is being still continuing in our society. Now in India, it is stated that according to the law, and children who is provided to work in any kind of dangerous workings or factories or any working institution below the age of or till the age of 14, the person who employs those kind of or category of children are punished. It is called as punishable offense and criminal activity against the child. There are various uh, people who forcefully put these children into such kind of activities for their own benefit, giving them low wages or low salaries. Why? Because making them work helps them to save their money by providing them less money. Certain times it happens that due to financial problem also in various families, small children they are made to work outside. Now it is the importance or the important role that has to be played by the government to provide and see that the security and protection of these children are seen by giving them government benefits such as schools and institutions, imparting them knowledge and understanding so that their childhood or childhood experience or life of child is being saved from various different aspects. Because it is said that life comes once and it goes on developing or growing, and every stage of life has its own importance. When you are a small child, there are various important works or activities or benefits that is to be enjoyed by your children. Playing, studying, learning important aspect of life so that in future a better personality or better aspect of person can be developed from you and you become someone great, not making yourself proud but your parents as well as making the nation also proud. So this is what we had studied in this chapter, which is stating about various important people and various important people who provide various important services to us, like teachers, doctors, lawyers, postmen, soldiers, policemen, traffic police, farmers, plumbers, electricians, and firemen. And as I said, there are other people also if you see in and around. Everyone's work should be respected, and if you see any kind of evil practice in and around yourselves where children have been made to work, you should explain them, you should tell them about the evil things and explain them how and what are the benefits that are being provided to them from the government side. So this is all for the chapter that we have studied previously, and I have again recapped this chapter because due to technical problems, uh, various important details have been removed. So understanding it once again will give you a better picture. Go through the video properly so that you will understand this chapter in a proper way, and the notes will be provided to you very soon. Thank you very much. This is all for today.